Ready to go again? He's already ready, Daddy. Here we go. Oh my God! That was so great!
Go back to mommy, Tuck. Turn around, back to mommy.
He drooled on himself. He got distracted. Yeah!
Woo! Say yay, Tuck. Good job.
To Daddy?
Wait, Mama. What?
Oh, yay! Woo! Gotta walk to mommy.
Good job. I'm so proud of you. Yes. Here you go. I'm so proud of you, Tuck. Here you go.